Over the next 90 seconds, we're going to cover everything you need to know about Joint Genesis, a breakthrough supplement that's got everyone talking. Inspired by the remarkable joint health of villagers in a small Japanese town where joint pain is practically unheard of, Joint Genesis was created to bring those same benefits to you. This unique formula doesn't just mask discomfort. It targets the core of joint health, helping restore comfort and flexibility so you can move freely again. So what is Joint Genesis? It's a revolutionary supplement designed to bring back smooth, comfortable movement by focusing on what most joint products overlook: your synovial fluid, the natural cushion that keeps your joints gliding easily. As we age, this fluid thins out, causing stiffness and discomfort. Joint Genesis works to restore and thicken this cushion, helping you move with ease. The magic lies in a few powerful ingredients. Mobilee boosts joint cushioning by increasing hyaluronan, so every movement feels smoother. French Maritime Pine Bark supports a healthy inflammation response, reducing discomfort. Using Joint Genesis couldn't be easier. Just take one capsule daily with water, ideally in the morning, to get the benefits throughout your day. And here's something that sets it apart. Joint Genesis comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. To ensure you're getting the authentic product with this guarantee, you'll want to order directly from the official website. We've included the link in the description below. So if you're ready to bring back comfort and flexibility to your joints, head over to the official site and give Joint Genesis a try.